Hey guys, welcome back to the Hide Life. Today we're gonna be on fishing Black Lake. We're up under the bridge right now. It's funny, ain't it? Well, anyways, we're gonna be up under this bridge, probably dragging jigs, fishing for some schooling bass, maybe throwing a Carolina rig or something. It just depends on how the fish are, positioned. Anyways, we'll get back at you whenever we get out there. Alright, so I'm just gonna tell you right now that I'm gonna be starting to put Bible verses in all my videos. I know I've done this. I've put Bible verses in some of my videos, but I missed a few of them. And from now on, I'm not gonna put a video out unless it's got a Bible verse in it. Anyway, that's all I gotta say. This is gonna be like that. I'm just gonna tell y'all that this time. Next time, I'm gonna be starting to do Bible verses. It's a little fast. This is too small, I think. It's about a foot long. I'm gonna go ahead and say that one's too small. Something. This feels like a fish. That's a fish. Just a bigger gizzard shad. That's all it is. Oh, my catfish here in a minute. Little white bass on the steel shad. Just gotta get them undone. Second one. These. Got 3 fish, a bass, 2 white bass. Got So. I think this is a little spot. It's too small for me. It's too small to do anything with.